Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you guys how you can peel your beans super easy. So the first thing you're going to do is to soak up the beans. You're going to soak the beans for about a minute or two. When it's soaked, it's going to look like this. So usually you scrub the beans with your fingers, but in this video we're not going to do that. It's a no. So what we're going to use is the blender, guys. It's so easy. So what you're going to do next is to add like a 2 handful of beans. Don't let the beans be too much. Then you add a lot of water. Let the water be above the beans. Then you're going to blend it. So on this for my blender I use like the ice crusher. So you just blend and stop, blend, stop. So just like that, I did this process for about 3 or 4 times. Then I put the beans aside. So this is what you're going to do for the rest of the beans, guys. You can see the shaft removed from the actual beans. So this is all what you're going to do for the rest of the beans. Then you can go ahead and add water, then rinse it off. You don't really need to start scrubbing, guys. It's so easy. So if you are having a hard time peeling your beans, you gotta try this method. It's so easy, guys. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.